Hey YouTube, how's it going? It is right now, let's see, Thursday night and almost 9 o'clock. And I will be doing a new thing that you guys will see, but kind of a behind the scenes kind of thing. To where I'm going to be trying to do some batch recording. We will see how that works out. Haven't tried it yet. Keep hearing about batch recording. Oh, and for those of you that are following my blog, it is the Theunpopularmom.com, of course. And then if you just want to go to claim your freebies, which I don't know why you wouldn't want to check out my blog. I am working on a blog post currently that will actually show off my blogs, but on the last video that I had, sorry, I keep looking out the window, there's a storm moving through. But if you watch my last video, the thumbnail actually shows the freebies there, so I'm not sure exactly why I put it on that video. It doesn't have a lot to do with that topic, but hey, blogging can be a career after you get it going, so stay tuned on that. We will find out. So tonight we are doing, what are we doing? We are doing the Friday Follow Me Friday thing. So what that is, if you're just not new to my channel, is that you leave your link down below after you like and subscribe and leave a comment. Then you can leave a comment down below as to what your channel is about, choose somebody to follow, and then watch their playlist and you guys swap playlists. If you right click on the video, it will keep looping. And there's a button for the playlist to loop too on the top right, in case you guys didn't know that. So just look at the top of the playlist. Like if you go to the video homepage, click on playlist, and it should have a list of the videos there, and then on the top right after it loads and starts to play. If you're on a computer or maybe even an iPad, it won't do it on the phone that I've seen. I have not been able to see where it actually will loop on your cell phone. I know there's a way to make it loop, I just don't know what it is. So, let's see, follow me Friday. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, leave your link down below, choose somebody to follow back. And then, like I said, on my blog, I'm going to be posting some video how-tos, and also, once I have to figure out if I can rejoin Loom, because I went ahead and did away with my freebie time frame, even though I didn't use it. So I got to figure that one out. And that is Loom and not Zoom. And so I will figure the screen recording thingy out. I know I'm really technical tonight. That's my usual thing. I'm not very technical at all. But there is YouTube. So hey, it needs to be techie when you can have YouTube. It does help though. And so the blog, Theunpopularmom.com, I'm going to be doing an at-home section too, like at-home moms and moms that work at home and things of that nature to help out other moms at home. And sorry guys, it's late. And so I will have a section just called At Home on the blog that'll be coming up, so stay tuned for that, and all kinds of fun stuff going on there. And really excited about the blog, if you can't tell. And I'll be showing you guys why and how in upcoming videos, so make sure that you tune back in. And if you want to get notified of when I will be on, go ahead and after you hit the subscribe button down below, go ahead and click the bell right next to it, and you can get your alarm whenever I'm going to be on next. I try to keep it kind of steady, but I know sometimes it's been random. It's just what it is these days with me working and blogging and everything else going on. So I will go ahead and sign off for tonight. And you guys take care. Have a great weekend and stay safe. My normal thing about the mask, or if you don't want to wear a mask, that's up to you. I personally don't want to wear it either, but I do when I go in some stores. But we won't go into all of that. I have asthma too, so that just makes the asthma a whole lot worse. But like I told a coworker today, do what you want to with the mask. That's all on you. I just explained to her why I do, since we both have asthma. I tell her that, you know, you can actually have COVID and not know it. And then if I go into a store and happen to sneeze on somebody, there you go. That's why I do wear it when I go in. And so anyway, it's up to you. It's your personal preference. Usually, I know a lot of places you have to wear them in stores and restaurants, or they won't let you in. Not necessarily restaurants, but you know what I mean. I'll just be glad when all this crap is over. But anyway, stay safe, stay 6 feet apart, wash your hands, yada, yada, yada. Be nice to whomever, you know, you come across. Just a smile might brighten somebody's day that was really down in the dumps before. You never know anybody's whole story, so don't judge either. So there you go. Your unpopular mom's helpful hints or advice for the week, whatever. So, please check out the blog. I am so excited about that blog going up, you guys. I can't even tell you. It took me months to actually get it there, but after I found Susie's course, and I will leave that video up above here, and also in the box down below. And that one is a affiliate link. It is not a sponsored. I don't do sponsored, at least not yet. I will tell you if it's sponsored. It's not sponsored. But Susie is a wonderful, wonderful person. So please click the link down below. Check her out. She has a lot of helpful hints that she gives, even in her free videos and freebies and everything else that she does. Just a wonderful, wonderful channel and person there. So make sure to check her out. And that is Susie. Trying to think of the whole name of the channel that she actually goes by. Sorry. The course itself is called Blog by Number, and that is just the beginning of her several courses that she does do. And then it is Susie's How to Start a Mom Blog Teachables. So that's why I had a hard time remembering that one. It's a mouthful. Like I said, I've been up since crazy times this morning. I was actually working on my blog before I went to work. So there you go. All right, guys. Stay safe. See you next time.